Forgot the secret code for your locked chat in WhatsApp? Today I will show you how to easily reset that code and regain access to your conversations. Stick around until the end and I will share a helpful tip, so let's get started. First guys, open WhatsApp on your device and access the settings through the three-dot menu right there and click on the settings. Or if you're using an iPhone, just click on the gear icon in the bottom right corner. So when you have opened these settings, go into the privacy section and scroll all the way down to the chat lock right there and tap unlock and clear locked chats. Click again unlock and clear to confirm and enter your PIN code. Click this small arrow to confirm and that's pretty much it. Now your chats are back on the main screen and you can lock important conversations again using a more memorable code. So if this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That will motivate me to keep creating more helpful content. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye!